Am I recording? No, I'm recording. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are just, the average days cop. This is my wonderful truck. I'm already here, which is quite convenient. I think that's Leo. So I'm gonna go do some stuff, I got a storm alert this morning. I don't know what that's about. What was I gonna do? Yeah. Get my stuff out of here. Vest on, get my gear. Here we go. Yo. So, it looks like could win, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and okay. Looks like storm could start going crazy any minute now. Don't know. I'm gonna go and hop in one of my. I think I'm gonna hop into the GMC today. Something just hit my window. My truck window. We got our man doing our lawn. Storm hasn't started yet. I'm surprised now. I'm going all sorts crazy. I tend to start to say something, then I realize there's nothing to say. I think I'm just gonna patrol around town here. Sun's coming up. It's pretty good. Got some people in the neighborhood. Nothing too crazy. Got my good friend Jay there. I'm not sure if holy voice crack. Sound like a vacuum cleaner. That's a squatter. Squatters are allowed here in Texas, I think. I don't know. This is supposed to be a Texas RP, so yeah. Why is it get so dark all of a sudden? It gets dark a lot and the sun rises, then it gets bright again. Kind of have to just play around with your lights until it. Oh yeah. Holy cow! I need to put my sun visor down. The sun is beaming on the plane tools right now. Show truck. Lights are on. It's supposed to be a display. I don't know if the lights are supposed to be on or not. Casper. Mish is talking about paying your truck bills. He's a very serious role player. So am I. Maybe not that serious, but let's go ahead and do what we were just doing. Actually, I think we go check out our tornado shelter. Yeah. Do it. He's gonna. I think we're gonna go check out our storm shelter here. The shelter's not actually... I forgot to tell people go right with me before time. Actually, we're gonna go right in the stall. No, right in the stall. Server's locked. No one else can join. I mean, it's not live. Like, y'all can even join. Let's go and check out our storm shelter here, and it looks pretty good. Yep, there goes my dogs. Yeah, I think we're good. Not saying there's gonna be a storm today, unless there is. Copy. So we're gonna go ahead and I need to get some mics, so noise canceling ones. Cause I have mics that are noise canceling. Mics that we used in the most recent fishing video. Actually, I'm pretty sure that's the only fishing video. Long form. Is that the impersonator? Don't know. Okay, we're just gonna... Just gonna keep cruising around. Oh, about like that stop sign there. That would have been bad. I don't think there's any firefighters here yet. Done. Oh, whoa. Okay, Jane plays it off like nothing happened. Just gonna go ahead and... Okay, I keep doing. Gotta pay those bills for the truck, my truck later. My trucks. I have a couple of them actually. Gonna go ahead and I might go ahead to my house really quick actually. Forgot something. Work phone. Technically it's my radio. I have a truck radio, but whenever I'm out of the car, I don't got mine. It's supposed to stay at the station, but we got told to take him home. So over the weekend, so that's exactly what I did. Go ahead and try not to swerve off the road. Okay, my house is right up here, or right here actually. Okay, there we go. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and just park right here. Oh, I left my garage open, that's not good. Just gonna park there. I'm gonna close my garage. And in here, get my radio's right there. And yeah. I'm gonna hop in the truck. Don't know why we don't get steps on these. We should definitely get them because definitely a little hard to get them because they're lifted slightly. It's probably because we use these for off-road pursuits or whatever. They're pretty fast too. I'm not gonna show you because that. I mean, I might maybe on a closed road sometime, but. Okay. Okay. Got. Okay, we got a couple units. Okay, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Let me out of my truck. Okay. We got a faker. Okay, we got a guy. Yeah, put my light bar on. Without, I mean, and we also got a cop right behind him. Guess he did something. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, we got a NATO on ground. I repeat. Sure. NATO on ground. I read. Okay, we got a NATO on ground. Shoot. Do. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Heading to the shelter. Gotta head to the shelter. This ain't good. That's like almost an F5. That's probably an F2. I'm not. I mean, I am. Okay. Okay, we got Jane to respond to that call. We gotta go. This ain't good, this ain't good, this ain't good, this ain't good. Okay, we gotta go evacuate the neighborhood. Go on my radio here. Michelin, you are a dummy. Why? It's okay, it's right there, it's right there. Head to the neighborhood, to the neighborhood, to the rain. Is this clear? Clear. We got all clears over here. No, never mind. Okay, well, we got wheels inside. Okay, we gotta go, we gotta go. We got Timmy's here. I think that's clear. Okay, we gotta floor it. 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 There, we gotta floor it. Shoot, right there. Oh, I'm such a dummy. I'm such a dummy. I'm such a dummy. Oh, it's heading straight for the shelter. Shoot, it's heading straight. It's heading straight for the shelter. Shoot. Okay, we're evacuating people from the shelter to somewhere. Go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Go faster. Yeah, it's heading straight for the shelter. I think it'll hold up. It's made of tons of pounds of metal. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, I think we're good. What's this guy? Oh, the native's right there. Come on, dude. Okay, someone ain't gonna listen. Okay. Okay, this ain't good, this ain't good. Okay, this ain't good, this ain't good, this ain't good. Go inside. Okay, I think the native's passed. It's gone. Oh. She's a... Well, this is the end of this... whatever. Then, here's... Stuttered more in the ending than I did in the whole video. I'm surprised I didn't stutter much. You have reached the end of the video. If you want to, make sure you like, subscribe. If you want to. And... yeah, see you in the next one.